Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Vikas and today we are going to see images in HTML. Guys, we can use many images in our HTML file, our web page, and it is necessary. We have to use images for different purposes. Okay, so how we are going to use those images? Let's go. We have to see that. For that, in our HTML tutorial folder, I have created one more folder by the name of images. In that I downloaded 10 images. You can also download images from pexels.com where you can get free images. So from there I downloaded 10 images. Okay, now we have to create new file. We have to give the name images or image.html. Okay, so we created image.html file. Then we have to write our basic syntax, and in title we have to write uh, images images in HTML. Okay, now so first we'll give one heading by using h1 tag. Images should capital images in HTML. Okay, so this heading I given. By right click we have to click open with live server. So look, images in HTML came. Now what we have to do, again we have to insert the image in our HTML file. How we are going to do that? So it is very simple. We have to use img tag. Which tag? Img and press tab. So this is the img tag. In that we have two main attributes, source and alternate text. So in this src we have to mention the path of file, which file we have to insert in our web page. Okay, and in the next, in alternate alt, we have to write the alternate text for the image. For example, sometimes what happen, your image is not able to load due to some reasons like internet connection or path path problem, whatever it is. So that time we have, this will appear, whatever text you written in alternate text, that will appear on screen. Okay, so simply what we have to do, we have to take the path. So slash, which folder we have, images. In images we will select this image and we'll move to our browser. Look, so what happened, this image size is very big. Okay, so what we can do, we can adjust the image height and width. So we'll type here height is equal to, we will give 200. Okay, and width we will give 300. Okay, now see, this is our image. So we can adjust height and width of our image by using height and width. Okay, next thing what we can do, we can copy paste this, and first we have to write the alternate text, tortoise. Okay, maybe spelling mistake. Okay, so what is the use of alternate text? It is useful for SEO, search engine optimization. That time it is helpful when your image is not able to load. That time this text will appear at the place of image. Okay, So we have to first copy paste this, Control C and paste. First we have to remove this tortoise, otherwise every image will come with the name tortoise. Okay, Control C. Now paste. Okay, paste. 4. Again we have to copy this all together and paste. Okay, so here is our images. Now we have to see the browser. Look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 images are there. So we will add one more. Okay, images, the last one. Okay, height 200, width 300. Okay, so look what happened, another image appears. Similarly we have to change these images. So what we will do, slash this one, Control Z, because we have to change from the second one now. Okay, next same thing we have to do with the all the images. Okay, I have downloaded 10 images from pexels.com, from where you can download images for free, copyright free images. So you can download and use. Okay, now next, it is very easy to use images in our web page. Okay, and as as you seen, we can change the height width of our image, adjust according to our need. Okay, so this is, look how our image appeared here. Okay, uh, we will add two more. Okay, we just copy paste this one only. Okay, so look, all our images appeared. Okay, 12 images. Now look, now like this we can use images in our file. It is very easy. uh, this is we did. Now we will take another images. First we will take br tag here, br, again br. Okay, so line break we will get, and again we will paste those images. Okay, and now what we will do, we will change the height and width. We will take a 400 height, and I think 600 width. Okay, so look, we have to change here also, 400 and 600. Okay, look, so like this we can change the height and width and the appearance of our image. So this is how we can use images in our web page. Now we will add some html, sorry, some css. Okay, so style tag, and here we will take img image. Okay, so first what we will do for image, we will add here hover effect. I love hover effect here. Okay, now I will give some opacity. We will, okay, opacity we will give 0.7. Okay, so let's check. Look, whenever we are going on any image, this opacity, okay, so we can control this very good. Now next thing what we will do, we will add some radius, border radius 10 pixels. Look how good it looks. Look, so this is what we can do with images, and there are so many things we can do, but currently it is sufficient for you to understand how to use images in our web page. Now next thing what we can do, we'll give some effect to our heading also now. H1, first we'll give text align center. We want our heading in center. Next thing what we have to do, text transform uppercase. Okay, control S to see. Look, what happened, our image came in capital letter, but I have to do another change. Okay, we have to, I have to control X or control Z. Should I have to remove this text transform from here. Okay, and I have to take H1 hover if. Okay, now we will do changes in hover. So in hover we will take text transform uppercase, and then background color we will take some this color. Yes, this color we will take, and color we will take this one. Yeah, so let's go. Look how it appearing. It looks great now. So that is how we can use CSS in our file also. We are looking little bit towards CSS also in this HTML tutorials, but when our HTML tutorial will finish, then we will see CSS in detail. Okay, then you know how we use those things and what is the reason why we use different uh, attributes and those things. Okay, so I think this is sufficient for today. Okay, please practice this, and look, same thing happened here. And in tomorrow class we are going to see that figure and figure caption thing which we can do with images. I think, but for today this is sufficient. So please practice this small things. This small project will increase our skill level, and we can make full website by using those small things in the end. So please practice this, and if you are new to channel, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends who are interested in learning web development HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, everything we are going to learn. And keep practicing, guys. And thank you so much for attending the class. Thank you so much. See you in the next class.